We have a Ram 2022 pickup truck, 1 ton. Keys locked inside. And we're going to put the airbag in there. Now on this one, it's got a button. Even though the button looks tough to get a grip on, we got a little lasso tool with a rubber that will grab it nicely. We have a few other tools, but I find the lasso works out extremely well. So a little bit of air. The alarm's on this, so it's going to go. So we go down with the little lasso. This is a great little tool. It's surprising how many cars this still works on. It's just a little, and it's got a little rubber on it, so it grabs in there really good. Look at that, just perfect. And again, take out the airbag first, take out the power, take out the air, open up the airbag. There we go. Doesn't pop, doesn't do anything. This is how the tool works. This is you lasso, you just go on it, lasso it, and you can pull on this to make it tighter. So it's a big improvement over the earlier versions too. So I can pop that over there, lots of room, and give it a good tight pull. That rubber just holds onto the button. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.